Hi friends, welcome back to a new episode of Government Jobs for Engineers, Assistant Commandant at Indian Coast Guard. The Indian Coast Guard is a maritime law enforcement and search and rescue agency of India with jurisdiction over its territorial waters including its continuous zone and exclusive economic zone. The Indian Coast Guard protects India's maritime interests and enforces its maritime law. The Indian Coast Guard operates under the Ministry of Defense. The Coast Guard works in close cooperation with the Indian Navy, the Department of Fisheries, the Department of Revenue, Customs, and the Central and State Police Forces. For more details, please visit their website as shown on screen. Now, let us see who can apply for this post. For General Duty Branch, any bachelor's degree with minimum 60% marks holders can apply for this post. And in Technical Branch, in Engineering Branch, Mechanical Engineers, Naval Architecture Engineers, Marine Engineers, Automotive Mechatronics, Industrial and Production, Metallurgy, Design, Aeronautical, Aerospace Engineers can apply for this post. And for Electrical Branch, Electrical Engineers, Electronics Engineers, Telecommunication, Instrumentation and Control, Electronics and Communication, Power Engineering, Power Electronics Engineers can apply for this post. For getting full details about this opportunity, please watch the video fully. You are watching the channel Engineering Jobs for You. Assist to find right jobs of your choice. From our channel, every day 10 am we will upload government jobs for engineers and every day 5 pm we will upload private jobs for engineers. Now let us see the details about the opportunity. Post and number of vacancies. For General Duty Branch, 40 number of vacancies are there, and for Technical, Engineering or Electrical Branch, 10 number of vacancies are there. Eligibility. Nationality, candidates must be a citizen of India as per Indian Citizenship Act 1955. Educational qualification for applying, candidates who have graduated or post-graduated with minimum 60% of marks in aggregate can apply for this post. Age limits 20 to 25 years, 1st July 1997 to 30th June 2001. Upper age relaxation of 5 years for SC/ST and 3 years for OBC candidates as per Government of India rules in vogue. Pay and allowances. Basic pay of 56,100 to 1,77,500 at level 10 grade plus DA plus HRA plus other allowances at post of Assistant Commandant. Selection procedure. Stage 1, preliminary selection. Candidates will be shortlisted based on percentage of marks in the qualifying examination. Shortlisted candidates will be called for preliminary selection at a given date and time, which will consist of mental ability test, cognitive aptitude test, and picture perception and discussion test PP and DT. Stage 2, final selection. The candidates who qualify preliminary selection will be called for final selection. The final selection will consist of psychological test, group task and interview or personal test. Only candidates cleared their final year or final semester exams and completed their degrees are to apply. While shortlisting applications for call-up, priority will be given to candidates with higher percentage of marks in degree. Candidates have to select any one post, either Assistant Commandant General Duty male or Assistant Commander Engineering and Electrical male for applying. Applications are to take printout of the e-admit card through URL as shown on screen from 20th July 2021 onwards. How to apply? Detailed notification can seen at the website as shown on screen. Candidates can apply through the website as shown on screen on or before 14 July 2021. I will provide all website IDs and links in my description also. That's all for the details of this job opportunity from our channel Engineering Jobs for You. Every day we will upload government jobs and private jobs for engineers. For the next job news video, please subscribe our channel. Thank you.